ka jingatili lang kaway. Ya kadam omyam latay nadu usnem syahajar khandai spa henreu pusan bat nadu katay hi kapor kala jon don ka jingkhus lai jingmut halor ka jinglong shngan jong kane ka jingtay ka bala penlong ru ya ka sorkar ban pha Maramot no ya ka belas dang nadu ubnai no pra. Kikam kijam ban bujli no ya kinar bering jong kane ka jingking kalas dang hagasngi ublay baladem. Habakren halor kani kam, Chairman kam Managing Director jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, Sanjay Goyal, ulaong ban nakadaw balakhang Ïaid kali hagasngi ublay, menta on sala ban sedang bantre yaki way pat kikam, kum hakaban play yaki expansion joints, knang manla kintiw ya kani ka jingking.
Expansion joints, for which basically the blockade was taken. Now we will be now taking the process of putting the jacks and raising the structure for replacement of the bearings. It's a technical process and requires careful studies of the structure as well as the timings of taking up this activity, and we are on the track, and hopefully we should be doing it within the time frame which we have fixed for ourselves.